And we are talking some retail. We've got earnings this week. The holiday shopping season is about to kick into high gear. But my next guest is taking a closer look at the buy now, pay later space and is here to tell us how big a role he thinks it will play and where the opportunities might be. Jason Kupperberg is senior payments analyst at BofA Securities. And Jason, I also think if they move forward with trying to cap credit card rates, this is going to get more and more scrutiny. So where is your attention in the buy now, pay later space?
Well, hi, Callie. It's great to see you again. So within buy now, pay later, the first thing I want to say is that we think there's a very strong value proposition for this product for both consumers and merchants. And that is really the key to unlocking this market. And if you look in the US, for example, buy now, pay later currently is only maybe a mid to upper single digit % of total e-commerce spending. So there is a lot of runway here still for this market. And again, given the strength of the value proposition for both consumers and merchants, we expect to see solid growth continuing. So one of the themes we are looking at is just the relative growth rate of buy now, pay later spending volumes versus the broader market. To give you some context, buy now, pay later providers like Affirm and Afterpay and Klarna, they're growing their volumes 20 to 30% right now. If you look at Visa and MasterCard, who are kind of a barometer for the overall U.S. payments market, they're growing around 6% on total volumes. So there's clearly a share story here for buy now, pay later.
Let's make this very actionable very quickly, Jason, because you like Square, Global Payments, correct me if I'm wrong here, Fiserv, I believe. Why do you like these three? What kind of upside do you see and in what period of time?
I'll start with Square, now known as Block. Hard for all of us to get used to, but that is the new name of the company. So they have an attractive two-sided network. They have direct relationships with consumers in the form of both their Cash App business as well as their buy now, pay later business, which was Afterpay that they acquired a few years ago. And then they have relationships with U.S. small businesses, with merchants. That's their seller business. And we think that there is optionality here, in particular on that seller side of the network, for volume growth to start reaccelerating incrementally in the fourth quarter of this year, and then perhaps to a greater extent in 2025. Global Payments is a bit of a turnaround story of sorts, trading at a pretty depressed valuation. We think there's too much negativity baked in here. We think that some of their US SMB exposure could also be helped under a Trump administration, assuming that it does end up being positive for the small business part of the economy. And then you did mention Fiserv. We also like FIS a bit. FIS is more of a software play, more on the bank side of things. Banks should also do well under a Trump administration. And Fiserv has the Clover asset for small business, which has been a real nice crown jewel asset for them.
My physical therapist has been looking for a new, the credit card processor that she has is always driving her crazy. So I said, I'll ask for maybe Clover. I don't know if that qualifies, but maybe she should look into that.
She could look at Clover. She could look at Square. There's more options than ever, but she can definitely get some good functionality out of either of those platforms.
There we go. Investment ideas and, business ideas. Jason, thanks.